If I look a little bit tired, it's because I am. You know how it is. Today we're going to wrap up the bottom of the truck in the front where we did the brackets for the toe links yesterday. The actual links came in last night and I put them on, but it was a little bit too dark for video, so we're going to hop up under the front of the truck and I'm just going to show you. You don't need an installation video for this. The only thing that would probably be helpful would be to come back later and show a longevity, just to show how long these last. I'm saying because I'm really tired and I'm having trouble thinking. I should probably go in and sleep instead of doing this video, but we're out here anyway, so let's get up underneath the truck and take a look. So here is the swivel link on this side. So as you can see, this thing is super heavy duty. I haven't noticed any noise driving down the road if these clink around a little bit or not. I'm guessing I don't know that I'd be able to bring this in any, but the pin is a 3/4. It fits right through the brackets. This is the bracket that I installed, and this is the swivel link. So this is just something that you have on here, so if you need to get towed, there's a real easy anchor for somebody to grab onto to pull you out. So it's not necessarily for towing, I wouldn't say, but so here's the driver's side, same thing. It's just this gloss black. Apparently it's a really heavy type enamel paint, so that these aren't going to chip or crack or get tore up just from being out in the weather, being underneath the vehicle. But you know, it's got a little bit of a look to it now. I've seen where there's a bumper, you can take this whole bumper cover off, and then there's a bumper that has an insert that comes through here, and these shackle like brackets that hold the ring come through the front of the bumper, and then you've got your you've got this hanging down from here, so it's kind of more on the front of the vehicle to tow. But I don't know, I kind of like it where it's at, and I'm happy with them. They're not expensive. Just pick them up on Amazon. So we're pretty much done with this little bit. The next thing will be getting some step bars coming in the mail from a company called Infab. So stick around and you should see that post come up sometime soon. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the afternoon. It's finally getting to be cooler outside, so it's a lot easier to get a lot more done. And yeah, I'll just keep you updated. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Please like, comment, share the video, and most importantly, guess what? Subscribe. Subscriptions are the most important thing to the channel, other than just giving you guys some things to look at, little install type stuff. That's pretty much it for this, so thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see y'all later.